guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest beautiful ideas with neck scarf and head cap. Beautiful and latest styles ideas for girls and women's fashion. Here are some ideas for various topic and beautiful styles. There are countless caps designed to choose from depending on your style and purposes. Are here some popular hats, cap, muffler designs, and this stylish cap and scarf have a wide brim and a creased like beautiful and latest, perfectly round, perfect for adding a touch for different style and different style to an outfit. Remember that you can customize many different scarf and cap with different materials, colors and embellishment to suit your personal style. Whether you are looking for a particular accessories or a fashion statement, there are a hair design for almost every ascension and preference. Crochet hair cap and neck scarf. Crocheting a hair cap and neck scarf can be a fun and creative project. Here are a brief overview of how to crochet both items. To crochet a hair cap and neck scarf, you will need basic crochet skills and some yarn and crochet hooks. Here are a simplified guide. Choose the yarn and crochet hook size. Will want lightweight and breathable yarn for a hair cap, and select the yarn of crochet hook. You can use a thinner yarn and a smaller hook for a delicate neck scarf. Beautiful and latest styles. Remember to adjust the size, stitches, pattern and color to match your preference. Project pattern for this items can be found online in crochet books. Provide delicate detail and instruction. Stitch counts for different style and size. It doesn't different ideas. Guys, please see this video till the end.